So today I'm doing a collab with Ben. I know you can't see because it's right here. Hello, hi, and namaste. Welcome back to another Sunday. And as you can already read the title, it's about different speaking styles. And I don't mean languages and accents as such, but there are some people in our groups itself who speak differently. You know how some people have a certain habit of repeating the same thing again and again, like a certain word like. Yeah, that one is me. Similarly, I have observed certain kind of different speaking styles. So without any much blabbering, let's just get started. Mr. and Mrs. basically, they just know these two words in the world and they cannot shut their mouth, or they just cannot use a sentence without using this. You're asking me what happened? Let me tell you what happened. Basically, I was trying to get through his call, but for some reason, basically it was coming busy. So basically what I did was I tried to call him from another number, and basically even that started coming busy. So he thinks I'm some fool or what basically. I don't understand that he's basically trying to ignore me. Basically that's what happened, yeah. I don't know what to do basically. Next we have Bromaster. You know these Bromasters are trending right now. I used to be one of them, but I'm not anymore. Let me show you. Hey bro, what you doing here bro? I didn't see you at all bro. Come here bro. I love you so much bro. So what if you're my boyfriend? I cannot call you bro. Where is it written? Chill bro. Bro, what's there for food bro today? Bro, आज तो तुझे पाए. I cannot tell you the amount of times I have got discounts in restaurants, especially just for the fact that I and the owner is a Goan. And the times that you get caught by a cop. Okay, like that's the ultimate use. Oh, black waiter, put in the side, come in the side. Sir, hi, कैसा तू? हम गोयं कार वरे सर. अरे इंगारा होता सर. एक ऐसको दान मालो अनु गारा कपा. आसो दे किते गया नहीं सोड रही सर. मुझे विश्वास दौर रहे हैं. बहुत चैड मरे आऊँ. इंगारा हो तो सर. एक ऐसको दान गायलो ना. पालो गारा. औसन दे सर प्लीज. थँक यू सर. थँक यू. नमस्ते साहेब, माझ्या सर्टिफिकेटचा काय पण करून द्या ना साहेब. काय तर चाय पाणी घेणार तरी चालेल सर. करून द्या ना सर प्लीज.
No.
मेंदू गिव. वेटर, मेंदू गिव. Waiter, here come. I would like to take one mojito. What looking face mine, huh? Never seen handsome man with long hair? Who bring this Gawar people work, huh? Mojito. My friend from US got me this branded jacket. It's Versace. Versace, never heard? What? I mean, not seen brands and all. Huh? I wear everything branded. This is Versace. Listen me, I wanted to give to my girlfriend Lingari re. Lingari. Inside Lingari. Take this. No, I don't drink this. Jagger Mister is very strong. I know, like little dilute water. Nice. It's too strong, Jagger Mister. क्या? कौन सा Mister? You mean Jägermeister. I would love to read it. Secondly, it's called a poem. It's not a poem. Poem. That's how it's pronounced. There's a difference between Y-O-U-R, your, and Y-O-U-R apostrophe R-E. You cannot say Y-O-U-R amazing. That would be like yours, not you are apostrophe R-E. You know what I'm saying? No, you never mention yourself first in a sentence when you're describing the group. It's always Bostiao, Pedro, and I. Don't even know how we are friends. I really don't know. The job interview? Oh yeah, listen to what happened, okay? So like they called me for an interview and I said like I'm not available like right now because like I was busy with something else. What these people did, like they told me that they cannot take it ahead. Like can you beat that? Like they just rejected me based upon my availability for an interview. I know you all have a requirement, but that does not mean like you can be rude to people on their faces like when they're not available. Like you get it, right? Like what I'm trying to say, like that one friend that you have that you just cannot take in front of your parents. Why? Because probably the first word that they ever said was not mama or dada. The first word that they ever said was a bad word. Tu all mare to. Huh? He only come here. Abe, don't irritate me. you. Yo, if you didn't use the P language, the GR language or the Ulta language or any language replacing the vowels, what have you done in life? I remember when I was a teenager to use this GR language with my friends, it would piss off all the aunties in my neighborhood. For example, we would say like Yugru Nogro Dagra Agran Tikri Gris Dugru Gring Tugru Magra Chlegre Jakras Kegred Agro Ogrof Yagra. Besides the P and the GR, which are most popular, there is an Ulta language. And my cousins used to use this to gossip about me. They still do, but now I understand it. Ulta language is basically you start from the second letter and it's still confusing. I still don't get it. I cannot speak that. Let me show you an instance with the P language. Listen, I'm going for apa epem gopo eping fapor apa papa tipi epen apai topol mopom dapet apa epem gopo eping to push tapa tipi sapo plipis lapai fopo mipi if apai kapam lepe topo moporopo. Okay, but one thing, can you say passport in P language? What, you want me to say passport? Okay, papa's popot. And that is all I had for you guys today. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, please hit the like button. Share this video with all the people that you think are from the category that I have shown in the video. Comment down below and let me know if you're any one of them. Like I said, I am the like one. I keep on using like as much as I can in a sentence. Sometimes it's annoying. It is what it is. And if you watch my videos and like them and still haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos, just hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I upload. Until then, Mog and peace. See you next Sunday. Bye.